Yo, what's up, guys? We are about to do a high beam, low beam conversion on the 05 4Runner today. As you can see, these are weak as. I'm pretty sure they got the original halogens. We just put amber fog lights in, but these are terribly weak. Hey, pull those high beams. Oh man, brutal. The fog lights are actually brighter than the low beams and high beams combined. So we're gonna swap these out. If you have a 4th gen 4Runner, you can follow along. It's gonna be super simple. Basically, all we need to do: twist, twist, pull, swap them in and out. So you've seen it stock. We're going to swap everything. We'll take some really quick videos. This does not have to be a long video. And yeah, we'll get it sorted.
And so when I say let's get it sorted, you're probably thinking this guy's going to get it sorted, but here I am accidentally filming vertically. I'm sorry, guys.
All right, so here we go. We got our Auxito lights. As you guys know, I do have a sponsorship with Auxito. They gave me these to try out. I have them on my other 4Runner. They are fantastic products. I actually stand by them. There's not many companies I would do that for, but these are legit for the price they cost. We got the 905 HB3s. These are the high beams. We got the 906 HB4s. These are the lowest low beams. I've already looked in the boxes. They're the same thing, so I'm just going to open one of the boxes to show you guys. Inside, we got some gloves. Bring out your inner Michael Jackson or garden somewhere. And then we got the actual lights. And so these have a built-in fan to cool them off. The O-rings, pretty nice. And yeah, just your standard LED. So these are pretty much a direct fit. So we're going to go over to the front of the truck, remove the low beams and high beams, and swap these in. And we'll show you guys really quick what they look like. All right, so we're at the front of the truck here. So the innermost ones are your high beams. And so to get those out, all you have to do is grab the plug, twist to the left, I believe it is, and slide them out. As you can see, there's kind of grooves that go in there. And so once that's out, you can just actually directly unclip the plug. Might be a little bit jittery. Or a lot of bit jittery. Make sure you grunt. you might have to use a clip there. That's fine. Anyways, so get the other ones out too. We got the low beams on the side. All you do, I can do it. Go, twist to the side, pull. Just like that, low beam is out. Same kind of process. To take these off, you just have a little bit of a clip in there. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. Here, okay, if you pull this black thing, it should come out. Oh, my thumb's not strong enough. Ow. Yes, it is. Oh, I'm being defeated. Okay. We're just going to get a little screwdriver and do that. All right, so if you want a little trick, all you have to do is put a flathead in there, pry that up. That'll get the clip inside loose, and you can pretty much pull it out. There you go. Heard that little click. There you go. All right. Okay, so we're just going to go grab the high beam because this is on the outside right, and we're going to plug it in and show you how easy it is. All right, so for putting the new ones in, you're just grabbing the old harness, clipping it, make a nice little sound. There we go. Look at that. And then you're going to feed it back in. Pull that out of the way. Sticker inside. And then you go behind the grooves and it'll get nice and stuck. Once you're behind the grooves, you just want to twist it to its normal position, just like that. And it's in. So we got our high beams, once again on the inside, low beams on the outside. Swap those out. We're just going to do the one on the other side really quick, and then we'll show you guys the difference from outside. Sweet. All right, we just finished installing. Now, moment of truth. We're going to turn the truck on. All right, those are the low beams, right? Yeah. That's just the low beams, way brighter. I'm going to come in front here. You hear the fan buzzing on this left one here. Oh my goodness, that is quite a big difference. Wow, those are bright. And we'll try out the high beams. As you guys can remember, the high beams, you couldn't even tell the difference before. Oh, nice. Those are bright. Wow. Turn back on. Oh yeah, that's really nice and bright. And of course my camera died, but these things are bright. This is a huge upgrade if you're still using halogens, even if you have the older the older facelift, the 03 to 05, and you don't have the projector headlights, it's still a worthwhile upgrade to go LEDs. Once again, I'm sponsored by Auxito, but that means you can get 20% off if you use loose axles at checkout. So anyways, guys, hope you have a wicked day. Caden, if you want to pull out, we'll show up the headlights out here. Guys, I'm so tired. I can't even talk. That's wicked. That's way better. Way better. Anyways, guys, hope you have a good night. We had some fun today.